Okay, y'all, this morning I'm going to try to do little mama hair in some beads. So right now I'm just parting it and getting it ready. And I did use some Canteen Natural Hair Moisturizer. I'm using some of this up there so it'll stay soft. And I'm going to try to get her hair done. We got to eat breakfast, and toddlers, they don't stay still. So I'm going to have to try to get something else to keep her busy because she is moving all over the place. But right now, I'm just going to part it, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you how I go back. This hair right here is going back. This went forward, but this one, I'm going to carry it back. She is very busy, y'all. Toddlers do not sit still long, so I'm trying to get it braided. So you take 3 pieces of hair, and you just braid it. Grab the hair as you're going. And these are going to go back, and these are going forward. This is her hairstyle with beads on it, y'all. I'm going to show you all of it when I get finished. This is her hair, and see how it's going backwards. Alright, I'll continue to finish this, and I'll come back and show you a little bit more. Okay, y'all, I had... Okay, y'all, the back of her hair, I decided to carry it this way. Like I said, y'all, she busy, so moving her head, so I'm carrying this way, and then the other side I'm gonna braid this part right here. This is gonna go to this side, so I'm trying to get this hair done, y'all. Okay, now y'all, I'm finished braiding her hair. Wait a minute, Mom. Finished braiding her hair, and see how it went to the side for the back. And this is her hair braided up. And I'm starting to beading it on the other side. So this is a hairstyle. I'm going to show you how I do the beads. Okay, y'all. Here I have my beads. And this is my bead threader. And I have a rubber band right here. This is really going to help me to get the beads on her hair after I already braid her hair. So now I'm ready to put the beads up there. So what I do, I thread all my beads. And right now we're going to try with 7. Now some of her hair was a little short in the back. So I had to put less beads. So right now I'm going to put the beads up here. You thread them up there. And after you have your beads up here, then you go to her hair. You grab a braid. You grab one of her braids right here. And you put the hair through that little hole. You put it through that little hole in your threader. And then you pull. So this really helps. I used to use round wrap and anything I could when my children was young. And you pull it. Now some of the beads might not go up there. So what you do, you pull some on back. And then you pull your hair. Because if our hair is real thick, y'all, you won't be able to get them up there. But see how they're threading up there? And then you do the rest of them. And then I take my rubber band. I take the rubber band and I take one of the beads on the end. And I don't want too many up there. Because I don't want her to be able to take them. I don't want the rubber band to break and they come off. So you take a piece of your hair, you fold it, and then you wrap the rubber band. And this is how I get her beads on her head, y'all. So I was just letting you know how I put the beads up there. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to finish this up, and then you will see the finished result. See how it put it up there for her? I see. Okay, I'm going to finish my hair, and then we'll be finished with her hair. Alright. Okay, y'all. Finish her hairstyle. And these are coming to the front right there. And this is going to the side. And these they're going across in the back right there. They're going in the back. Now what I'm going to use now for to grease her hair is this African Best herbal oil. And so what I would do, I will take some and put it in here. And then what I would do, I'll squeeze a little bit in her scalp, and then I rub it. So, that is her hairstyle, y'all. We're finished. I'm going to finish oiling it down, and she is finished. Her hairstyle is finished. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see your hairstyle in the front. And that's her in the front, y'all. So, she's finished.